What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking about one feature, which is copy trading, which is going to allow you to pretty much trade stress-free. Yes, have you ever wanted to copy pro traders? Well, this is the video for you. If you're tired about worrying about different charts like this with Bitcoin and crypto and wondering where it's going to go, copy trading could be for you, and I definitely recommend sticking around for today's video to find out more. Guys, without any further ado, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. Don't forget to like today's video. Let's smash 500 likes. Also, I am giving away every single Monday $200 to one lucky person who subscribes, ticks the notification bell, and lets me know down below in the comments right now. So pause the video, subscribe, tick the bell, and let me know in the comments, and you are in to win $200. Let's get on with today's video, and it's going to be a really interesting one because a lot of people have been coming to me and telling me, Jack, I want to get into trading, I just don't have enough experience. To learn a skill that literally takes years to develop, it can literally take years just to become a proficient trader. Well, today could be the video for you because I'm talking about in today's video copy trading. Now, you've seen copy trading on my channel before, and I'm talking about it again. Why? Because it's an easy way for new traders, new crypto investors with a limited amount of risk. Of course, I'll tell you how to properly do it later in today's video to in fact go ahead and trade. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitget, and I'm going to be talking about how you can copy trade on their platform. First of all, before we get any further into the video, if you want to get the best possible bonus available, link down below, there'll be a bonus for $5,000. Yes, it's not a mistake, you heard it correct. $5,000. All you have to do is click the link down below, join Bitget using my link, and go ahead and deposit. Come up here to the reward center, and you can go ahead and get your $5,000 bonus. Guys, it's literally as simple as that. So once you've got your bonus and you signed up using the link below, all you then have to do is come over here to copy trade. Of course, before you do this copy trading, you should make a deposit onto the platform, which allows you to get your bonus. Then we come to this page right here which says top traders, and this basically is where you meet the traders. You can take a look at the profile, what they're trading, how much profit they've made, how many assets under management they've got, basically how much money they're managing, and also, of course, the P&L. You can see how many people they're following as well. So let's take, for example, this guy. This guy is called, actually, this is not such a great example. Let's do this one, Ethan. Now, if you see me feature a trader in this video, it's by no means me recommending that trader. I have not used this platform for more than a month or two, and I want to really fully test it out and fully test out different traders before recommending you one trader. Or potentially, if you'd like to see me have a profile on here, trade, that could also be something interesting if you let me know down below. So, data, this is Ethan. Stable, short term, they're the tags, 346% ROI. Trading together, total transactions is over 5,000. This is something you need to be careful at and you need to look at. If they've got just a couple of hundred transactions, probably they've not been trading for so long. They've got 500 out of 500 followers, so they're actually full right now. If you wanted to trade with them, you would have to click slot reminder, and you can just click remind me, and it will remind you when they have a slot available. We can see around $16,700 profit. And we can see 4,600 profitable trades and around 500 trades with a loss. So that brings us to the P&L ratio being extremely high. I mean, we can see here this P&L is literally 300%, which is crazy. And the total income in the last 7 days is up to around about 16 to 17K. If we take the last month, we can see again the total income is similar. Probably they've made most of the trades in the past few weeks. And we can see like so, this is jumping up from 17.68. So we can see them making slow profits throughout the day. We can come down here and see the preference. He prefers to trade Ethereum USDT compared to Bitcoin USDT. They're the ones he's trading the most over the past 7 days. And position duration, you can see usually the predominant amount of his positions are open for around about 5 to probably about 16 hours. So between 5 to 16 hours, that's when most of the positions are in fact open. And again, trading volume you can check out down here. If you wanted to go and follow a trader, all you would have to do is find one that you're able to follow. For example, let's take a look at this one right here. You would then go ahead and click on them, see everything's fine. The total transactions is actually a little bit low in my opinion, so I would prefer to have over 1,000, but that's just my personal preference. And again, you can see what they're trading right here. And also just keep in mind, guys, just because you're following a trader that has 170% profit, it doesn't mean you should just throw like 10k or all your money at it, because they can still make losses as well, of course. You then just go ahead and click follow. You then have all the different assets which they're going to trade based against the pair USDT. You can then click follow mode about the margin you want to use, and also you can select the risk management as well, which can be important depending on your risk tolerance. And of course you can just click next, go ahead and do it, or you can show advanced, which is going to show you all the information about every single pair, about how much margin you want for each pair. So for example, you don't really want to trade EOS USDT, you can give it no margin, and you want to trade more ETH USD, you can give it more margin. For example, you may like one trader, but you may not like some of the pairs he's trading. For example, maybe it might be trading meme coins, like right here we can see Shiba. Maybe you don't agree with that, maybe you don't like them, and you can just go ahead and turn them off right there. So it offers a great way to go ahead and make trades, copy trades from professional traders that have been doing this probably for a lot longer than you, maybe even I as well. So yeah, I think it's a really great thing. There's also search different things up here. You can say win rate over the last 3 weeks. You can choose the most win rate, accumulated followers, asset under management. So he has the most assets under management with around, oh, that's a lot, $655,000, which is crazy. We can see here $620,000. So they do have a large amount of assets under management. Probably you should check all these things out before going ahead and joining a trader. Guys, if you're not already following me over on Twitter, go ahead and follow me right now at CryptoJack. Make sure you're following the verified account. And yeah, you can see some cool behind the scenes thing. I just posted this 2 minutes ago about me working in the office. That's exactly my view I have now, looking out of there, which is pretty cool. So go ahead and follow me over there, and yeah, join 75,000 other people following me over on Twitter. I think it's pretty cool. And guys, don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. Once you tick this notification bell and selected all, exactly as I show you on the screen right now and previously in the video, then just drop a comment telling me you've done it, so I know you've done it, and I can enter you into the giveaway on Monday, which is tomorrow, for $200. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I mean, it's a lot easier to go ahead and copy trade somebody compared to it is trading yourself. Of course, you just click follow. Once you've then done it and followed it, you can unfollow and all that good stuff. And also, if you want me to go ahead and find a trader, stick with him for a month, put some of my own money into it, and in fact show you the results, I'll be happy to do that. I did that with another platform. It worked out pretty cool, and I'll be more than happy to make another video, like let's say in the next week or two, doing that. If you show enough support down below, if I see that like button smashed up, I can go ahead and put, I don't know, 5-10k in to one trader, and let's see in fact where or how this outcome would be. All you have to do is click that link down below, go ahead and join my Bitget using my link, and then come over to Reward Center, and you can follow these instructions to in fact go ahead and get your reward. We can see right here, first time deposit, $4,000 bonus, and they have more for creator incentives, like when you are in fact joining using my link. Also, I have another video on my channel for Bitget as well, so if you like this exchange, you can literally just go to YouTube, you can open my channel, and you can go ahead and just type here Bitget. In fact, I think this is the video right here. You can go ahead and see my other video I have on Bitget. This is in my apartment. You can see right here, easy method to make $100 a day trading crypto on Bitget with leverage. You can go and watch that video if you wanted to get more kind of trading style and trading tactics. I'm going to run you through the exact ways in which I use to go ahead and trade on Bitget. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.